So, Huawei is officially back, and what's happening with the Huawei Mate 80 series proves it more than anything else. So here's the deal. Sales start tomorrow, and according to a solid leak, Huawei has prepared around 9 million units of the Huawei Mate 80 phones. That's not limited stock. Well, that says we are ready for the whole market stock. And remember how the Huawei Mate 60 and Mate 70 used to sell out in seconds? Bro, this time Huawei is saying, don't worry, we got enough. Even the first batch alone is almost 3 lakh units, and that's just for the entry model according to some netizens. The Pro, Pro Max, RS, those will have even more. So yeah, Huawei isn't struggling for stock anymore. They're literally prepared for a full high demand wave. But the real story, the real comeback is the new Kirin 9030 and the Kirin 9030 Pro chipsets. Like for years, literally 5 years, Huawei kept everything about the Kirin undercover. Why? Because of the US sanctions. Like every time they launched a phone, they intentionally hid the chip name to avoid drama, avoid investigations and avoid pressure. But not anymore. With the Huawei Mate 80 series, Huawei just said, here's our new chips, here are the specs, here are the performance boost, straight up, no hiding, no fear, no secrecy. This is the first time in years Huawei is openly talking about Kirin, and that alone is a huge message. But they're done playing quietly. They don't care about the US sanctions anymore, and they just proved it. Now, coming to the speed of these chipsets, Kirin 9030 Pro is crazy fast. Like 9 cores, 14 threads, 2 big cores at 2.75 GHz, 4 medium cores at 1.72 GHz, and 8 performance cores at 2.27 GHz, plus the Malian 935 GPU. This is the same level of optimization we were used to seeing with Apple Silicon, but now Huawei is doing it on their own terms. The standard Kirin 9030 is also powerful, just with 12 threads instead of 14, same big cores, same medium cores, just slightly fewer performance cores. And Huawei didn't stop there. 16 GB RAM options only come with the Pro chipsets, and top models like the Pro Max, RS Ultimate and the Mate X7 foldables all get the full 9030 Pro performance. So the message is loud and clear. Huawei is not just back, they're back at full power. Full Kirin, full performance, full stock, full confidence. And tomorrow, we'll see everything go live. Mate 80, Mate 80 Pro, Pro Max, RS Ultimate, Mate X7, everything hits for sale on V-Mall and offline stores. Bro, this is not just a launch, this is Huawei showing the world, we are done being silent, we are done hiding, we are fully back. So what do you guys think about it? Share your thoughts on it in the comments section below. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.